Please support the Hmong nation, so we can live and rise like others. May it be worth every tear shed by our Hmong people. Even if we don't have a country like others, as long as we love one another, we stay strong. In the past, our Hmong nation shed its tears because of the war. Brothers and sisters, do you remember when our moms and pops ran from Laos? Bullets flying everywhere, they spared no one. Blood stains on the ground from those who got shot. Sisters captured, used as objects in the war not fought. Kids with parents called, turned into orphans. No food to eat, we hid down in the caravan. We didn't know if we survive or die. Don't know when those bullets will catch up and ride. Are y'all angry like me? Does your heart burn like mine? Cause Mom, Americans today don't know the tragedy of that time. Not like then when world wasn't at peace. Back when survival wasn't a guarantee. All of us must stand together, even with no country, lend a helping hand forever. The world will rise, the world will stand, but the Hmong people from God is power within. The old, the young, the rich and the poor, come stand together and enjoy this time all live together. Help one another. The Hmong nation will stand forever. In the past, our Hmong nation shed its tears because of the war. Brothers and sisters, do you remember? Hmong people lived in darkness, we shed so many tears, flowing like rivers to the ancestors. Even if we don't have a country like others, as long as we love each other, that legacy lasts forever. No one will ever see all the Hmong tears drop. The Americans said they helped, but we didn't feel the message. The men with will and power, gentle vein power, has left us behind. That no one can change that now. Even if another throws the fight, they get locked up like the first to strike. Some say the Americans are corrupt, they use the Hmong nation to fight wars on their behalf, disrupted. We were saddles on their back they couldn't see, like thorn that taste only when they're born to be. Like leftovers they throw away without thought, like uneducated souls pushed into a pit they fought. So tell me, we all know we don't have a country, we don't have one leader, but it's okay as long as we live together and help one another. The world will rise.